This 2026 Winnebago Micro Mini 220FBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 23 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 5, LP detector, skylight, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, external shower, TV antenna, spare tire kit, smoke detector, water heater, stovetop burner, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Winnebago Micro Mini 2200FBH is 4,534 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.